If you're looking to write creative product reviews using AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage AI tools to write product reviews that are engaging, persuasive, and unique. Stick with me until the end, because I'm also sharing an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. So, the first step to writing creative product reviews with AI is understanding what makes a product review stand out. It's all about balancing informative details with a personal touch that resonates with your audience. That's where AI comes in. It can help you quickly generate ideas and structure your review in a way that grabs attention. To start, I recommend using software that simplifies the process. With the software we'll be using today, you can input key details about the product, like features, benefits, and potential drawbacks, and get a well-structured review outline within minutes. This saves you time and energy while keeping the content fresh and relevant. Don't worry, I've tried all the popular AI tools out there, and I'll link to this one below in the description for a free trial exclusive to my viewers. Now, let's talk about the structure of the review. First, always begin by introducing the product and its core purpose. What problem does it solve? What's its main selling point? AI can help craft these opening lines quickly by summarizing key product features based on a few inputs you provide. Next, dive into the specifics. What makes this product unique? Is there a special feature that sets it apart from competitors? AI can assist in expanding on these details by analyzing data from product descriptions, user reviews, and other online sources to generate more in-depth insights. This adds value to your review by helping you highlight what's important to your audience. Another important part is incorporating user experiences so your review feels authentic. AI software can sift through tons of user feedback and pull out common themes, offering you an opportunity to present a balanced perspective. You can showcase both positive and negative reviews, giving your audience a well-rounded view of the product. Don't forget to use persuasive language. While staying honest about the product's shortcomings, you want to emphasize its value. AI can generate compelling, customer-focused language that highlights the benefits in a way that's both engaging and convincing. This is crucial if you want your review to not only inform, but also drive conversions. Finally, wrap up with a strong conclusion. AI can help you write a powerful closing statement, either by summarizing the key points or giving a call to action. Whether it's prompting viewers to click a link, check out more details, or simply make a purchase, you'll have the perfect closing to round off your review. Key takeaway: writing creative product reviews with AI is about leveraging technology to streamline your process while maintaining a personal and persuasive touch. The right software can help you craft reviews that are informative, engaging, and actionable. Just to recap, we covered how to use AI to create unique product review outlines, how to highlight the product's features, how to integrate user feedback, and how to use persuasive language in your review. And remember, if you want to follow along, take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.